finish because I want to see what it's about straight up, like no type of influence on my opinion of it. So let's jump right into it. This is from the house of Afnan. This is Afnan 9pm Rebel. 2024 release. My box itself says it was produced in 11/24, November 24. So yeah, there's been some hype behind this fragrance. You know, I've been hearing little things. Like I said, I don't know what the notes are. I don't know what it smells like. I have some ideas of what it smells like. We'll get into that a little later. It's about 35 bucks. Official Afnan hologram there, all sealed up. Reputable discounter there, Fragrance Bossier. You know, you're always getting authentic stuff from them, so just make sure you get it from a reputable site. Once again, I always stress, get it from a reputable site, because now they're even, you know, bootlegging. You see the bootlegs all the time, horrible bootlegs. Now they're even bootlegging the Middle Eastern houses, so just be aware of that. 9pm, Afnan 9pm. Now, Rebel. Now, I have, you know, original 9pm, which is, you know, to me, and to many others, an Ultramall dupe. I also have 9pm Dive, which is my personal favorite, which I don't think dupes anything. You know, it's a nice spring summer fragrance. Now we have 9pm Rebel. So another two other 9pms for women. So there's three that are, you know, masculine, and two that are feminine. You know, 9pm Dive, and then 9pm Rebel. And then the other two, I think, is like 9pm and 9pm pour femme, something to that effect. So it's 5 in all, 3 geared toward men, 2 toward women. So here's the box. So this is the box itself. Looks like you pull it off like this. The other Afnans I don't recall looking like this, but yep, there you go. There's the inside of it. Nice, some nice designs on the inside. Red bottle. Now I know it's supposed to have Afnan printed on the top. It does. Afnan printed on the top of the bottle there. Boom. That's a new addition for the this release house, or at least this line. 9pm Rebel. All right. Red bottle. Okay. Like I said, I haven't really gotten to notes on it. I don't know officially what it really smells like, or what it's, you know, what many people think it smells like. To me, I'm thinking it's either going to smell like Baccarat, which I hope it doesn't, you know, Baccarat Rouge, or I don't know, some type of Versace Eros, Versace Eros Flame, somewhere in that realm. I'm hoping not. I'm hoping it's something totally different. But let's see. Take the top off. All right, 9pm Rebel. Let's go. Got a little something on there from earlier. All right, let's hit it. Yep. Nice sprayer. Yeah, I enjoy the other 9pms that I had. It's a good line from Afnan. Okay. Very citrusy. You know, these Middle Eastern houses, a lot of times you have to let it macerate, maybe sit around for you know, about 2 weeks or so you get all the full notes. Now, to me, I'm picking up the citrus, getting some vanilla in there. I don't know. To me, right now, it smells like a cross between Baccarat and Eros, because it has those citrus notes in there, a little bit of candy sweetness in there, maybe some vanilla. I don't know just yet. Nice oil, nice and oily. See? Yep. It's good concentration. Yeah, we'll you know, of course, with the Middle Eastern houses, a lot of them don't have the stabilizers like we have in the West, like, you know, European houses. You know, already have the stabilizers in there, so as soon as you spray it, it does what it's supposed to do. A lot of Middle Eastern houses, they don't have access to that, and you know, that's also why the prices stay kind of low also. So if you're patient, a lot of times, I mean, you know, it's like 50-50. Some of these are good out the box, and some of them you have to let sit. So, you know, I know a lot of the some Alhambras are like that, you know, they're pretty much good out the box, but then some of them you have to sit and just let them sit and mature. So far, get some here, and some pineapples coming in. Yeah, so pineapples starting to come in. So I get a citrus, pineapple-y, a little vanilla there, sweetness. Like I said, right now it kind of reminds me of a cross between Baccarat and like Eros Flame, something like that. Smells good though. Smells good. It might be a nice all-season scent. We'll see. We'll see. It seems like it started to develop even as I sprayed on my hand. So we'll talk about this more as time goes on. From the house of Afnan.